Here are the fastest animals on land, air, and in the water. Land. Cheetah. At a top speed of 128 kilometers per hour. It is the fastest runner on Earth, making it an easy job for it to hunt its prey. And prefers to hunt smaller animals like springboks and impalas. They are native to Africa and central Iran. Air. Peregrine falcon. At a top speed of 389 kilometers per hour, it is the fastest bird in the air. This bird of prey can be found nearly anywhere on Earth, except the extreme north and south poles. And it preys on urban birds such as pigeons and small ducks. It can also hunt small mammals, reptiles, and insects. Water. Sailfish. At a swimming speed of 109 kilometers per hour, it is the fastest marine animal. And they can grow up to 3 meters in length and feed on small squids and pelagic fish.